Naturopathic diet mainly concerns about eliminative, soothing and constructive ways. Ayurvedic diet promotes elimination and detoxification of body. Maintaining a diet routine will not only make you healthy but also make you to look beautiful and charming. Diet is not only what we have to eat and what we have to not to eat, but also includes fasting. It is told that Langanam Parama Aushadam, that means fasting is the great medicine. Once in a while we have to go for fasting. Fasting helps for the rejuvenation of our body, detoxification of our body, maintaining good health and also longevity of life.